Hi my friends, Sam Villa here. Here is a real simple way to do a half French twist and working with chopsticks to create it. We're going to gather the hair back into a ponytail. And for this exercise, what's great is to go in and once again, working with our Redken Outshine 01, our anti-frizz polishing cream. We're going to emulsify that and work with our hands through that. Once we've done that, we're going to take a large elastic, taking the Artist Series finishing brush and just brushing that through. Once we've done that, we're going to take our elastic. When we place the elastic, we want to elevate the hair and create a very loose ponytail. So we're working with elastic, coming through, and placing the ponytail. Come through, I'm going to place it about halfway into the length. Once we're here, we're going to work with some chopsticks. Okay, you're going to place one chopstick inside, point it down. We're going to take another chopstick outside, point it down. We're going to take the two chopsticks and now just simply come in and roll. And what I love about doing this particular way, it allows me to really hold that. There's nothing more difficult than trying to pin a French twist and trying to hold it. Now we're going to come through, we're going to take one large grip. We're going to keep the toe down to the head, come in, catch, inside, and slide up. Once we have that grip slide up, now reach for a hairpin. Come through, go in one direction and the opposite direction. And you can feel that hairpin lock into it. Okay, now simply take your chopsticks and slide out. And voila, you've been able to create a French twist, very simple, loose elastic, working with chopsticks. Once again, at Sam Villa, we'll continue to bring tricks for you. Remember, we're the messenger. We'll go out there, discover it, and share it with you. Thanks for watching.